Hi, welcome to Sepedi lessons. Today's topic is alphabets in Sepedi. We are going to learn how to pronounce alphabets in Sepedi. There will be a combination of 2 or 3 letters which is mainly used in Sepedi. Yes. If it's your first time, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification and comment down below. I will be giving example, and if examples are not clear as a word, I'll be putting them in a sentence. Our first letter is A. A, not A. A. Apara. Apara, which means wear. Apara roko, wear a dress. Ooh. Ooh. Vula. Vula. Example, vula litsi ka ngope. Vula litsi ka ngope. Open the window. Litsi ka ngope is a window. Bj, bj, vyang, vyang, which means how. This is a formal way or indigenous way of writing this. It's now replaced with JW, which people use it when they speak or when they chat, but in books or in formal way it's this. For example, go tla byang, how come? D, dula, dula, which means sit. Dula mo, sit here. E, or e, example, Emma, which means stand up or wait. Fofa, which means fly, like something that is flying, not a bug, but something that is flying. Yes. Lisisi, which means darkness. This is the indigenous way of writing. In speaking, we replace the FS with SW. Same as FS, sh also is replaced with SW. Share, just being scared. Rrr, Gauteng, which means a place of gold. Homola, which means be quiet or shut up. Shoshona, which means itchy. Something is itchy. Or mmele wa ka o a shoshona, my body is itching. Ithata means self-love, like loving yourself, loving oneself. Example, o a ithata, she loves herself. Z, ja or ja, which means eat. JW is a modern way or modern letter that replaces BJ. For example, we would replace viale with joale, or viale means now or then, or and then, like as a question, as an exclamation, or and then what's going on, like and then. Kudu, kudu, which means too much. For example, go tonya kudu, go tonya kudu. Goka, goka, which means tie. To tie your shoes or to tie something. Khuto, khuto, which means peace. Since we do not have the letter C in Sepedi, we normally replace the English words with KH if the letter has C. For example, if the word computer, if we want to just say it in Sepedi way, would say computer and we write KHO instead of CO. Yes. Luma, luma, which means bite. Mang, mang. You put your tongue on the roof of your mouth, and then try to exhale. Example, nama, nama, which means meat. Ngame, ngame. This one, how you pronounce it, you open your mouth, you take your tongue and try to block the voice and exhale like yes, you got it, just like that. This one, ngwako, ngwako, which means a house. Nyaka, nyaka, which means to want something. Nyuang, nyuang. Nyuang is an older way of saying grass, but there are still others that still pronounce it like nyuang instead of mavyang. Oh, opela, opela, which means sing. As if you're popping something, like pula, pula, which means rain. Just like the way you pronounce P in English, like how, okay, just it's the same way it's the same way like how you would say a P in English within a word. Example, padima, padima, which means shine. Psh, psh. Example, sipshatla pshatlani, sipshatla pshatlani, which means chicken pox. psh. Oh, I'm sorry, it's ps, ps, as if you're calling someone like ps. Yes, ps, psya, psya, or psya, psya, which means to spit. Psamari, spit the saliva. Rrrr, rrrr, reta, reta, which means praise. S, s, senya, senya, which means to ruin something. S, s, shuma, shuma, which means to work. Telele, telele, which means tall or long. Thutlwa e na le molala o motelele. Thutlwa e na le molala o motelele, which means giraffe has long neck. Or ke o motelele ka seemo. He's tall in height. Tsatsela, tsatsela. Tsatsela is to sneak on someone, to sneak around, to sneak on something. Then T and L, it's tlala, tlala, which means full. Ts, ts, tshila, tshila. Tshila means jump. And also tshila can mean 6. Yes. 6 is tshila, and then jump is also tshila. Tsohle, tsohle, which means everything. In Sepedi, since we do not have C, so we cannot say CH, so we say ch, as in like T, sh, and h. So t, sh, it means ch in Sepedi, which means, for example, chelete, chelete. Chelete is money. Tlhahloba, tlhahloba, which means test. Ooh, ooh, or ooh, ooh, utswa, utswa. Utswa is to steal something. Ooh, ooh, wena, wena, which means you. Ngaye, ngaye, or ngaye, ngaye, which means sorry. So basically, we only have these two words as X words in Sepedi, and it's the only click word we have, or words we have in Sepedi. So this type of sorry is when you are feeling sorry for someone or feeling pity for someone. For example, re kwile ka mahloko a bolena, ke ka fao re re go nqanqae. I'm sending my condolences. Sorry about your loss. This is not necessarily the this is not necessarily, I'm sorry about that. This is not necessarily the exact translation, but it's the same meaning. So, yes. Yee, you.